In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email to your Wix website. We'll keep this clear and straightforward so you know exactly where to go and what to expect as you set things up. Start by opening your Wix dashboard. This is your home base for everything related to your site. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're in the correct one so the email setup applies to the right domain. It also helps to confirm that your site has a custom domain connected, since professional email works best with your own domain rather than a free URL. From the dashboard, go to Settings, then Email and Office. This is the central hub for managing professional email on Wix. Here, you'll see options related to business mailboxes, domain-based addresses, and service providers. Think of this area as the control center where you can review your email setup, understand what's included, and see what your domain is ready for. A quick bit of context will help you make sense of what you'll see. Professional email means using an address at your own domain, like info@your domain. Behind the scenes, your domain's DNS records, especially MX, SPF, and DKIM, tell the internet where to deliver your messages and help keep them from landing in spam. The email and office section is designed to streamline those pieces so you don't have to hunt through multiple tools. You'll likely find options tied to well-known providers such as Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. These services supply the inbox, calendar, and collaboration apps, while Wix helps connect your domain so everything points to the right place. If you already use a provider, this page is where you align your domain settings. If you're exploring plans, you can compare features like storage, aliases, and security to determine what fits your team. Before you proceed with anything on this page, have a few things ready. Confirm you own or control the domain. Make sure you can access your domain's DNS if it's managed outside of Wix, and set aside time for changes to take effect. Email-related DNS updates can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate, so it's normal if things don't switch instantly. During that window, keep an eye on test messages and avoid making multiple changes at once. If you need help understanding terms you see in email and office, look for explanations directly on the page or check Wix's help resources. They break down each option in plain language, which makes it easier to choose confidently. Once you're in the email and office hub, you're in the right place to manage everything tied to your domain's professional email.